Deploying a virtual private server on Ionos involves selecting a plan, configuring server specifications, choosing an operating system, and completing the purchase. After deployment, the server is live with an IP address and login credentials. This tutorial outlines the steps. What a VPS does: a VPS provides dedicated virtual resources on a shared physical server. Unlike shared hosting, you have full control over the operating system, software, and security configurations. This also means you are responsible for server maintenance, updates, and security. Step 1. Access VP's hosting. Log into your Ionos account. From your dashboard, click Hosting, then click VP's hosting. This section contains scalable server infrastructure options. Step 2. Choose a plan. Review the available VP's plans. Plans differ in RAM, CPU power, storage capacity, and performance. Select a plan that matches your expected workload. Start small if unsure. Upgrades can be made later. Click Add to Cart. Step 3. Configure billing and location. Select the subscription duration: 1 month, 12 months, 24 months, or 36 months. Longer terms reduce the monthly cost but increase the upfront payment. Pick a data center location. Choosing a server closer to your target audience generally results in faster website performance for those users. Step 4. Choose an operating system. Select an operating system from the available options, such as Ubuntu, Rocky, Linux 9, Debian 12, or Alma Linux 9. The OS determines the software environment and command line tools available on the server. Step 5. Configure backups. Select a backup and recovery option from the drop-down menu. Backups protect your data in case of server failure or configuration errors. Click Next to proceed. Step 6. Complete purchase. Review the shopping cart and confirm your order. After purchase, Ionos provisions the server and installs your selected operating system. Once complete, the VPS appears in your dashboard with an IP address and login credentials. Limitation of VPS is not beginner-level shared hosting. It requires knowledge of server administration, including secure shell access, firewall configuration, and software installation. This setup is best suited for users who need more control than shared hosting offers and are willing to manage their own server environment.